Krispy Kreme, the original, since 1937. Yeah, I'll show you original. Alright, welcome to another edition of the Ultimate Food Reviews. What you see in front of you is some Krispy Kreme donuts. Some collaboration with, a partnership with McDonald's, where they're doing 3 of the McDonald's or Krispy Kreme flavored donuts. Also, giving a heads up, I apologize if you guys hear any sawn noises going on outside. Got some neighbors that are got yelling going on, so I apologize if you hear any saw noises while I do this. Anyway, so not what I wanted. Where is it at? Ow. Ow, my hand hurts. Jesus Christ. Really wish they would have had this pulled up before I did this. There we go. Okay, so the flavors that McDonald's and Krispy Kreme are doing for everybody right now is the iconic original glazed, the chocolate ice with sprinkles, and then the ice cream filled, or chocolate iced cream filled. So the one that I got in front of me, I'll get for you guys here. That's the one that we're doing today. Is the original glazed. Yeah. Want to always get one of their donuts in, review donuts in while I'm awake before I go to bed here tonight, because I just got off of work, so I apologize if you hear me a little, like, drowsy, tired, like, not energetic like I usually am with these. But, yeah, would have been better if I would have heated this up, probably, but I don't know what to really say other than the description I'm seeing online is it's a melt-in-your-mouth donut covered in Krispy Kreme's original glaze. The one that started it all. Yeah. Go ahead and get it. Sorry if you guys are seeing like this. I know normally I do it like... I know normally you guys are used to seeing me do it like this, but because I had a thing like that, that's why I do it. Like, I'm doing it like this for this one, but anyway, let's do it. Oh, yeah. It's not bad, but who doesn't love a classic? Krispy Kreme, who doesn't love it? If I had to get a rating, obviously a 5. Because again, who doesn't love an original glazed? But I do got a question though, and I should have opened it up when I did this, but had I not had this, and you guys wouldn't have seen the the video title or description, whose donut do you think this would have been? Would have been like a Buc-ee's, I'm guessing like a Buc-ee's or Speedway, like a local joint, like, let me know in the comments below. Whose do you think it would have been? Other than that, that's probably about it. Video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't, thumbs down. Guys have any comments, questions, concerns, or ideas which you want to see for a future review, put in the comments below. Subscribe to have notification bell whenever I miss another awesome food review, and peace.